Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide how to boost up your mouse performance on our Windows 11 for gaming. So let's start the process without wasting our time. Simply open the control panel and we will tweak some changes of mouse related settings. So once you open the control panel, go to view by icons here and select here the large icons. If it is selected like this, select the large icons. Then after that you need to go to the mouse, and once you open the mouse we need to go to the pointer. Once you go to the pointer, you just need to click on use default. This will resolve your all the issues and will restore your system to the default settings. So once you click on apply, then we need to go to the pointer options, and from here guys we need to select from 6 to 11 fast speed. So this is the one, this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can select it 6 is the minimum, but you can select it 7. And also if it is ticked like this, you need to untick this option, and enhance pointer precision also you need to untick this option, and you need to click on apply, and then you need to click on OK. And these are the button speed. As you can see here, this is the double click speed, so you can also enhance this to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Then click on apply and then click on OK. Once you click on apply, click on OK, your mouse speed should be faster and you will get a better result of, as you can see here, I have seen the mouse is responding good and faster in my case. So this is the quick setting guys. So I hope this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.